Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024 guide and tips, top 10 reading tips. This video shows the details, guide and tips to how to save a company from round 4. This is the last round we can save the company because you delay to round 5, 6, 7 and 8, no time to save the company. So if you have the job role round 4, it may be the last round to start a turnaround. It should better started from round 2, round 3 if you have the job role asking for help, but round 4 is the last round we can turn around because a new product we need 2 round 5 and 6 to fix the issues, and round 7 and 8 to tell. I show you the detail now. So you see on the screen the company started round 4 and we need to fix the issue. I show you now. You see 4 companies here, right? And in this case example, it's a company for Zigbee, and they have quite low sales and loss here, right? And total loss 11 million. So we need to solve the issue to get back higher sales and increase the profit, right? Increase the profit. So basically we update R&D here. We see update R&D to the round and make sure the launching date in the right time. And for the marketing, we update the price, and also change the promotion to 1,400 because the company has reached 100% of customer awareness, and we maintain the sale budgets. Calculate the sales forecast based on the last round unit we sold. You can see from the report here the company unit we sold last round here and the inventory. So we use this number to calculate the sales forecast to put in the marketing here, right? And for the production, because the company started support from round 4, so we do not have enough time to launch so many new products. So we have opportunity to launch 3 new product, but it is round 4, so we launch only 1 new here in the traditional segment. So we sell the surplus capacity and buy the needed capacity here, right? So you see that. Okay, and then update the automation because we need to update automation to save the cost in the later rounds. And for the HR, we use 5,080 hours. For the finance, we use on the sources of fund we have, issue the stock, max current debt, and max long-term debt. Even that's not so much, but we keep 60 million for the cash to avoid any case of emergency loans. And we use 1,000 for the TQM. You can adjust a little bit to make that around 1,000 is okay. And you see after we do this, we can increase very high sales here, and also 25% of contribution margin, and here 5%, 6 million for net profit, turnaround from minus 11 million to 6 million net profit. And you see that we've been spending a lot here for promotion and sales, nearly 17 million. So we can started selling very well, turn around in round 4, 5, 6 and get back good sale, both good sale and profit in round 7 and round 8, right? So you see that the way we can save the company from round 4. If you have any question, send the email and get the free support email to mbahelp2002@gmail.com. But remember again, do not copy the number, use the strategy I show you. If you have any questions, send the email or use the number from your game, and it's better you started support for the save from early round 2 or 3. If you make the mistake in round 1 and 2 and 3, round 4 is the last round we can turn around. Round 5 maybe late, 6, 7, 8 and 2 late to turn around. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.